Hey, are you looking for trolleys for your industrial laundry? Sumal raw containers are the best solution for industrial laundries and hotels for several reasons. Firstly, Sumal raw containers are made with high-quality materials that are sturdy and long-lasting, making them an excellent investment for any business. Secondly, Sumal raw containers are designed focusing on efficiency and ease of use. They are equipped with wheels and handles, making them easy to move around even while fully loaded. Thirdly, Sumal raw containers come in a range of size and configurations, making them suitable for a wide variety of laundry and storage needs. Finally, Sumal raw containers are designed with hygiene in mind. They are easy to clean and disinfect, and you can even add personalized polyester cover. Sumal is a Spanish company that manufactures storage and transport solutions for a variety of industries, including industrial laundries, hospitality, and retail. Our product range includes raw containers, wire mesh containers, metal containers, and pallets, all designed to be both durable and efficient. We can customize our products to meet the customer needs without neglecting sustainability while minimizing its environmental impact.